What's going on, guys? I'm Avionics, returning for another Tesla accessory video. In this video, we're installing and reviewing this OEDRO brand 6-piece floor mat set designed for the 5-seat Model Y, compatible for 2020 to 2024 models. You can find these on Amazon. List price is $159.99, but at the time of this video, they are currently 13% off, bringing the price down to $139.99. I will have my Amazon affiliate link down below for more information and to purchase. So you get a front mat liner, driver and front passenger mats, rear passenger mat, rear cargo mat liner, and a rear trunk well storage liner. This is how it arrives from Amazon, shipped as is in the original packaging box. These mats have a unique 3-layer construction with a watertight textured surface layer. XPE foam is the middle layer for foot comfort, and the bottom layer helps to keep the mat in place over the factory carpet. These mats are lightweight and flexible enough to fold while maintaining a tray type shape to keep dirt, debris, and water in while removing from the vehicle. So I'll be installing this in my wife's 2023 Model Y, and I will actually be placing them on top of all the factory floor mats and liners. I'm going to go ahead and start in the front and install the front liner. To make it easier to install the driver and front passenger mats, move the seats all the way back. To make it easier to install the rear passenger mat, move the 2 front seats all the way forward. Next, the rear trunk well storage liner. And lastly, to make it easier to install the rear cargo liner, fold down the second row seats. With the rear cargo mat liner installed, you can still open up the lid for the rear trunk well storage area. The only discrepancy I noticed is the rear trunk well storage liner isn't a perfect fit. As you can see in this photo, it tends to crease up in a few spots along the edge. Other than that, this complete set for the Tesla Model Y provides a lightweight and easy to clean solution that's easy to install to keep the inside floors clean and protected from all the outside elements while maintaining a subtle appearance. Once again, it is currently at the price of $139.99 on Amazon, with my affiliate link down below in the video description. Would definitely appreciate a like for my video. As always, comments and questions are welcome. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe and ring that notifications bell. Thanks for watching.